friends, welcome to Cool Toys. Look, today I brought you a giant egg with a carnivorous dinosaur, and look who's peeking out here. It's our friend Rex. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a super like, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of years ago. Here we have a carnivorous dinosaur that fed on meat. Look, we know this because of its large head and all the sharp fangs it has. Also, if you notice, its eye is red. What stands out to me the most about this dinosaur are the 3 horns it has on its head. They're really big horns. Friends, can you write in the comments which dinosaur is your favorite? In the meantime, let's remove all the modeling clay. What do you think if we take off the whole dinosaur face? Oops, did we leave its teeth in the egg? Thank you. And now, friends, we've reached the last layer in red. Thank you for... Wow, friends, we have a lot of surprises in this egg. We'll start by opening a surprise envelope inside this envelope. We have a little dinosaur figure, and it also comes with an identification card. Let's open it up. Let's see. Wow, friends, we have a super cool dinosaur. Thank you. This is a dinosaur with feathers. Look at it. It has a bunch of feathers on the back of its tail and also on its front legs. It's yellow and I love the shape of its head. I don't know if you can see it, but over here we can make out its sharp teeth. It appears to be running. Let's see what its name is. Its name is Troodon, and it also gives us information about it. It says it weighed about 50 kilos. It measured about 2.5 meters, and what catches my attention the most is that it ate both meat and plants. We've already learned something new, friends. Next surprise. We've got a surprise pack from Chameleonis and Company, plus their Maxi edition, which means they're huge. Let's see which one we get. Wow, it's super big, guys. It's super soft, and we can also stretch it. Wow. Chameleons have a type of skin that changes color so they can camouflage themselves. Also, they have a crest on top that goes all the way to the end of their tail. And the most distinctive thing about this chameleon is that it has 4 horns. It says, "Hello, I'm a 4-horned chameleon." And here we have a photograph of it in real life. Super cool, friends, with lots of different colors on its skin. Next little surprise. We got a jar with slime, and the best part is that it has sea animals and a crystal effect. Wow, it's super cool. Here, we can already see our little animal. Wow, friends, I love it. It looks like water slime. And I think we have a dolphin trapped. I love slime. It's very relaxing to squish it, but let's go rescue our dolphin. Dolphins, even though they live in the ocean, are mammals, and they're also one of the most intelligent species in the world. Let's put it away again. Many surprises still await on the channel. We got a dinosaur egg, and it's even red. Let's open it. It looks like we have a Spinosaurus, but we need to put together the missing pieces. Over here, its head, and we're missing the spines and the frill. This dinosaur is pretty scary. Look at the expression on its little face. Super terrifying. What I like most about this dinosaur are the spines it has on its back. Also, it was a type of quadruped dinosaur that walked on all four legs. And I think I remember that it was a carnivore. If I'm wrong, you can let me know in the comments. I think it was a carnivore because it fed on meat. Next little surprise. We got a small Super Team Series pack. There are more than 90 to collect, and we could get a superhero or a villain. I like the villains more. We've got a villain on the channel. It's a drilling machine. We know it's a villain because it has yellow eyes. Let's view them all. Subscribe to collect them. Over here, we have the ultra rare from the Mr. King series, and we can also get two with a golden effect. And on this side, all the ones there are to collect. We have so many. Each one appears along with its rival. We have few things left. Over here, we have a huge insect. It looks like a daisy, although its shell is blue. I need the help of the scissors. Wow, a giant insect. Also, the wings open as if it could fly. Wow! Over here, we can see its whole body. Wow! And I love it because it's a giant insect. Plus, it also has wheels. Wow! I love that because that way we can play with it. Wow! A giant one. Can you write in the comments if you are afraid of insects? Thank you for. And now, friends, we have the last envelope left. It's about a dinosaur that turns into a crazy ball. It says we can inflate it up to 25 centimeters, and we can get 4 different models. I think we got the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Thank you. Ours came out in orange and yellow, and yes, friends, it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's super soft, and we can also stretch it. Here we can see its big mouth, wow, with a lot of sharp teeth on the envelope. We got this straw. We have to insert it into this little hole, and then blow until it inflates like a balloon. Look, friends, it's super cool. If we take out the straw, the air stays inside. Oops, help, friends. I ate a gigantic animal and now I can't walk. It looks like his body has become deformed. Oops. I love it. It's really fun. We can also play by throwing it. And these are all the little surprises we got today. Remember, friends, you can write in the comments which one of these was your favorite. And don't forget, if you like this video, you can help me by giving me a super like, a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Alright, friends, I'm saying goodbye now. See you in the next video with more fun surprises. A little kiss. Goodbye.